So that is the contract news. We also have some thumb news. Remember we did this with Aaron Rodgers when he tore his Achilles? Remember Jonathan Taylor had a UCL repair? Well, Arthrex, my buddies, sent me a thumb. So I want to show you what the UCL repair for Jonathan Taylor was like. Remember we talked about they used an internal brace? Let's take a look at what that is. So right there, they're drilling a hole, putting in these swivel locks essentially to secure the tendon. Then what they're doing now is they are attaching the tendon to the different bones to make sure that it is secure and healed. That will basically heal over time. The internal brace is that blue and white thing. That basically acts like a seatbelt to protect the ligament and allow increased movement. The goal is movement to be able to rehab as quickly as possible. That is how Jonathan Taylor is expected back sooner rather than later, although, Tom, not this week.
I should just ask you, what does that mean for fantasy? But we got to take a break. I need to process the thumb. I don't know. Too much for me. Okay.